Ready?
Yeah. Can you get it?
You want to get on the other side, Bob? And
Yeah.
Steady it.
You're clear.
Try not to get under it.
Yeah.
Pretty close to
I just got to go in another.
Yeah, and it's going to come back to you when you jack it up.
Oh, I can see the mounting position. I see it right here.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's sitting there, so.
Yeah, it's staying level.
Okay. Get your arm out from under there, Bob. Just steady it, hang on to it to steady it.
Okay.
I can get that one, Tom.
Yeah.
Do the fronts, or the front. Let me have that bolt, the nut. Okay, got to go that forward some.
I'm looking at these studs right here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy.
You're straight up under them,
Straight
Doug.
up.
It should be
Yeah,
straight
you're
up.
pretty good. You're lined really good on this side so far. Yeah.
What about 3 inches?
Move this out of the way.
4
you're lined,
inches.
and the way we go.
Okay, we're gonna have to go that way some.
Which is that way,
Right there.
Forward.
Right there.
Okay,
Right
I got it. Because when I jack up, it comes this way.
There we go. This one's almost. Mine's going. Mine's lined up.
Mine's on.
Okay, put
We're
your
on.
nuts on, or put the nuts on. Oh, fuck.
And that's right in front of the jack stand. Nut washer.
Oh yeah.
Got a full nut yet?
Yeah. Oh yeah. My side.
Okay, I'm gonna start jacking this up.
Yeah, they're full.
Yep.
It's
Yep. Yep. Going by hand. Very good.
here. Give me that one, Doug. Give me that one.
Wait a minute.
You're right on it. It's right in it. It's right in it. It's up and seated.
All right.
Okay. Got a full nut finger tight.
I got a full nut finger tight
Yeah,
over here.
it's
Full nut finger tight.
it's
This
seated right now.
is pretty close. Yeah.
This.
Got the flats on it?
What?
Oh, the spring? Okay.
Yeah. You're gonna take the jack out.
Now I'm gonna raise it up just a tad bit, put some strain on it,
Okay.
and then
To tighten it.
tighten them up. Okay, taking the whole car up, so.
Yeah. No, this is finger tail.
Yeah.
Huh?
I got my side pretty close all the way flush to the.
Okay. That 11/16 or
I think they're 11.
What's the little one?
They should be half, 3/4, Doug. They're
That
half
would
and
have
full.
crazy.
Yeah, they're 3/4.
Huh?
I need 11.
11?
Yeah. Those some bitches. They're 7/16 now. They look like they're half.
can go up a little more. Not much, though. That's pretty good. You clear everything here. It's nice.
Here you go.
One of those fancy ratchet wrenches. Grease or something.
Yeah, I saw it when I was trying to fit it on the jack.
Exactly.
But that bolt is
That's
the,
the black. That's from the.
yeah, it's here one.
Hey, Tom, did they change this bottom of the rail on this thing?
Yeah.
On the driver's side?
Which way are you talking about?
On the driver's side, where the rubber goes, meets up?
Right here? The back rail?
Right here.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not positive.
Because it's flush at the back end here, and it's an inch away from the